MotoGeo is starring in an all-new series available only on the Harley Davidson app. We are breaking down off-road riding skills on the Pan America. From the very basics, body position, counterbalancing, and throttle and clutch control, to advanced riding techniques like riding through mud, sand, getting over obstacles, and everything in between. So download the Harley Davidson app, navigate to the Connect tab, select Groups, and search Off-Road with MotoGeo. Then just go for a ride.